Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Car Gear Shift Hoodie. It's received 4.7 out of 5 stars and it's an Amazon choice item. Looking for a way to add a unique, stylish touch to your car's interior? Say hello to the Car Gear Shift Hoodie, a fashionable and functional gear shift knob cover available in multiple colors. This creative design turns your gear shift into a mini hoodie, combining personality with practicality. Crafted from high-quality, durable fabric, this cover protects your gear shift knob from wear and tear while adding a soft, comfortable grip for smooth shifting. Its snug, universal fit ensures easy installation and compatibility with most vehicles. With a variety of colors to choose from, you can match your car's interior or show off your style. Whether you're customizing your ride, looking for a fun gift for a car enthusiast, or just want to elevate your driving experience, the Car Gear Shift Hoodie is the perfect choice. Stand out from the crowd and make your car truly yours, one shift at a time. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.